Alright my dear, so in this video I am going to share with you types of refrigerant and application. So let's get started with R11. This is one of the refrigerant. Okay, so I'll share with you what type of refrigerant is this and how to find out its chemical name. So let's get started. R111, this type of refrigerant we used generally in case of central air conditioning system. Now let's move to R12. This type of refrigerant we used in case of domestic refrigerator or water cooler. So basically we used here. Now again R22, this is one of the most common we usually used in case of window air conditioning system. Right, now fourth number NH3, this is most commonly used for ice plant for getting ice. Right, probably you have seen large cube of ice in front of you in a market, basically in summer days. Okay, now let's go to CO2. CO2 is used for transportation of dry ice, Now let's move to another topic, that is air. Air is used in aircraft and gas liquefaction. And I hope I am missing the most important one, brine, salt water, you can say, we used in milk chilling plant. So this is all about all type of most commonly refrigerants and its application. Now most important thing I'm going to share with you, probably you have seen R134A in the back side of refrigerator. At least if you'll see new refrigerator, those are coming nowadays, you will see refrigerant number R134A. What does this mean? This means, this is the latest one we are using in domestic refrigerator. Why? Because this one is chlorine free. This refrigerant is chlorine free. That means if you see chemical name of this refrigerant, then we can easily understand how is this type of refrigerant and why we are using this refrigerant nowadays in domestic refrigerator, because its chemical name is C2H2F4. we don't have chlorine atom here. And the problem is that with a refrigerant which is having chlorine atom, just like this one and this one, we have chlorine atom. And the most important thing is that if the refrigerant having chlorine atom and that chlorine refrigerant will go outside, then the chlorine is having ozone layer depletion capability, which is we have stratosphere, which is helping us from harmful UV radiation which is emitted by sun. So this is all about the refrigerant and where we're using this one, and that's why this refrigerant is known as eco-friendly refrigerant, because this refrigerant is chlorine free and its chemical name is this. And this question already I think asked in a good competitive examination. I cannot remember properly in which examination this question asked. Well, by the way, I hope you understand the topic. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in my next video. Bye bye.